Hey guys, John and Jeff here with Best Price Nutrition. You can visit the website at BestPriceNutrition.com. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Ding the bell, make sure you get notified of all our videos. We announce a lot of sales here.
Yep.
Let you guys know about new products we're bringing in and talk about different product categories. And today we're going to be talking about
Carbohydrates.
carb supplements.
Yes.
So carb supplements, popularly amongst bodybuilders, athletes, anybody who works out in a gym. It's meant to provide an easily digestible source of carbs for energy, either before your workout or there's some benefits after your workout, especially if you take it with protein.
Yep.
So we'll talk about that and go
I mean,
carb supplements.
a lot of times you want to you want to replenish your glycogen levels, which are usually depleted after a hard workout. So a lot of time carbohydrate supplements are good to take. You might have seen, I've heard it at the gym, everybody eats those damn sour strips because they want those carbohydrates at the gym. Some people talking about that earlier, a trainer was. Sometimes, eating a food with a lot of carbohydrates, because what we push, eat nutrient-dense foods,
Well, nice with these. I think a lot of people don't want to eat before a workout.
Exactly.
So here's a way to get some carbs without...
You don't want to be sitting in the gym eating something,
Exactly.
So a lot of times, a lot of these carbohydrate supplements, most people will take them intra-workout. I think one's even called that, right? So raw intra-workout. Throughout your workout to continually give yourself energy to keep that gym session going. But then there's also people that will take the carbohydrates supplement post-workout.
Yep.
Because there has been some research out there that if you can take a high dose of carbohydrates post-workout within a few hours, along with protein even, can initiate insulin response, which that then helps shuttle nutrients and everything you need into the muscle cells.
And we don't have that one out here, but 5% Nutrition, Rich Piana actually makes a real carbs plus protein.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah.
So you get both in one supplement if that's kind of the goal there.
Yeah, definitely.
And then for anyone who hasn't taken carb supplements, one thing that I think these are so great for, and especially something like leg day, I'm a big fan of this one. But sometimes you're tired, you're just dragging, and you take a strong pre-workout, and you got that like stim feeling behind your eyes, but your body still feels lazy.
Yeah.
And carbs tend to fix that and kind of give you the energy in your body.
Oh, definitely. I mean, especially like, endurance athletes, if you're working out for long periods of time, you're going to be tired. And sometimes you don't want to just be, stimming out, maybe you're just not getting enough carbohydrates in your diet.
That's why I don't know if we sell them anymore. We used to sell a lot of for cyclists and runners, the gel packs and things like that.
Exactly. So this is kind of the lifters kind of drink here. One thing, I don't take carbohydrates that often because I get a good amount through my diet. But when I'm actually...
You get a good amount through your diet?
Carbohydrates?
Yeah.
I don't eat a lot of carbohydrates. I'm getting to that point.
We're talking about the guy who eats pizza once a year.
When I'm heavily dieting, though, and I try to keep carbohydrates low, that's when I would take maybe a carbohydrate supplement right around my workout, and that's it.
Okay.
And keep carbs low throughout the diet. This guy's calling me out here. No, I don't take a lot of carbohydrates in. But, the thing about carbs, man, when you don't take carbs for a while, and you drink something like this,
you feel it.
Oh, you're like jacked, you're vascular, you are, you just feel pumped from this stuff.
I think that's probably the most noticeable thing is the vascularity you get from carb supplements.
Oh, God, it's crazy. And the stuff tastes amazing. I mean, it's carbohydrates. It's it just tastes really good.
Who doesn't like bread, right?
Yeah. Yes. Saying I don't want bread.
Not everybody likes bread.
Yes. I eat keto bread. It's really good. The cinnamon one is. It's a good idea to put it, especially if you're like bulking up and trying to get bigger and stronger. Getting enough carbohydrates is important. And there actually is, when you take this stuff, they're going to tell you how many scoops to take. But there actually is a recommendation on how many grams of carbohydrates you should be taking around your workout. And according to this, this was just like a study online. 0.5 to 0.7 grams of carbohydrates per pound of body weight, or 1 to 1.5 grams per kilogram of your weight. So I'm not sure how these line up here.
Yeah, it's just looking like the C block. We got purely 25 grams of cluster dextrin. Similar here. Some of these are a little bit more expensive.
Yeah, this one.
That one's got a really full label. This one you got some minerals, some salts, and things like that. You also got some coconut water powder for hydration.
Yeah.
And then we got a really full label. Which
Yeah,
the leg day, which is
This
top.
one I just went, the raw, that one has the pink Himalayan salt. So in addition to the vascularity with the carbohydrates, you're getting the pink Himalayan salt. So I bet that's some good vein day right there. And then the leg day, this is just packed. You got aminos, you got taurine, you got like electrolyte and hydration. You got a lot of stuff in this one. So
ton of premium branded ingredients in there too.
Exactly. So it really depends on what you're looking for. If you want, straight carbohydrates or some extras, this can do it. But if you've never taken a carbohydrate supplement, they're not too expensive. It'd be really something to test, especially this time of year. There's a lot of people, at least at my gym, bulking up, trying to get as strong as possible. This is a great time to supplement your, workouts with a carbohydrate supplement.
And we have a whole collection of carb supplements on the website, so we'll link to that one down below.
Yeah.
And I want to hear from them too, right? If you guys take a carb supplement, let us know what your favorite one is.
Yeah, post them down below. Yeah. John and I are both here to answer those questions that you have or to respond to, your feedback on these products. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, just subscribe below. We send out videos each week and you'll be notified.
If this video gets 100 likes, Jeff will eat a piece of pizza.
Oh, wow. Rocco Pizza, Naperville. Delish. All right. Thanks, guys.